Comfortable shoes are one of the most important things in the world. Now, I might be biased because I've just spent a week here in Las Vegas at CES 2026, but man, it makes a difference. And I got to try on the Fitasy shoes. These are 3D printed shoes. The ones I tried on weren't customized to my feet, but you can order shoes that are customized to your feet. Check these things out. They look like they're not going to be comfortable. They look like they're going to be stiff. Let me tell you, the look on my face changed when I put my foot in these things. They are super cushy, and even the universal fit ones, I wanted. Like, I was ready to trade my shoes for these, man. Very cool. And you can have them custom fit. It's $210. And then you send it in. So there's no shoe size. There's just your size, right? And it does a 3D scan, actually by taking just 5 pictures of your foot with the Face ID camera of your phone, so it's getting a full 3D thing. Then it can build the model, and then they can build your shoes for you. And they look cool, I think. And they're super comfortable, squishy, supportive. It's amazing. Here's how it works, right? You put your foot over the thing. There it is. It's scanning. I know it's hard to see because, you know, the lighting sucks in these convention centers, but that's what it's doing. And it did a scan, and now it's telling you, okay, scan the left side of your shoe, or left side of your foot, rather. Don't scan your shoes. Scan your feet. We are here at CES 2026 filtering through the noise so you don't have to. Make sure you stay subscribed to our Mac Geek Gab channel and also to our CES 2026 playlist so that you get updates on all the latest things. Of course, none of this would be possible without our CES 2026 coverage sponsors, so please, please give them some love. Thanks for watching. Stay subscribed. Have fun. Don't get caught. We'll see you on the next video.